How to find out if a YouTube channel is monetized. Search for NexLev Chrome Extension or use the link in my description. Make sure you found the right extension. Check if NexLev.io is the publisher. Then click on Add to Chrome. Now go to a YouTube channel and refresh the page if you already have it opened. And now you'll see if a channel is monetized or not. Did you know that NexLev also have created an AI-powered YouTube niche finder? For your convenience, I've added a link to it in my description below. They promise to help you reduce manual work, identify trendy niches, receive expert assistance, and find the right investments related to the niche you discover. So if you need help finding the right niche for you, you should definitely use the link below to start a successful channel in the right niche and begin earning money. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.